Okay, when you are ready to load the dishwasher at the catch, open the cabinet, and inside you will find our cabinet dishwasher. Pull open the lid. You're going to load your dishes. And then insert your provided tab right here on the lid. Close the lid. Power the device on. Push normal cycle and start. When the dishwasher light is blue, the cycle is running. And from there, you just have to wait. Some other settings on here: normal, UV, start. Those are really the only things that you should need for running a cycle of dishes.